Welcome once again to the Villa Chefs. Today we'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy Arabian Mandi with which you can impress your loved ones or any last minute guests. So let's get started. The first step would be to marinate the chicken. Here I've taken 1 kilo of chicken which has been cut into medium-sized pieces. It would be best to marinate the chicken and keep it overnight in the fridge, but if that's not possible, if you marinate it for 2 hours, that also would be perfectly fine. In goes the garam masala, fennel seeds, pepper powder, peppercorns, chili powder and the chicken stock cubes. Mix this well into the chicken. Cover and keep it in the fridge overnight. You can add a little salt, but take care because the chicken stock cubes already contain salt. Now as you can see, my chicken is out of the fridge. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. This is an optional step. Mix it well into the chicken. Take a wide bottom pressure cooker. Layer the marinated piece of chicken at the bottom. Try and layer it in a single layer. Once that is done, pour the oil over it. Pour enough oil so that the chicken pieces are well immersed in it. Place a pot with enough water on a medium-high flame. Season the water with salt and whole spices. Once the water boils, add the pre-washed rice into it and cook until it is half done. Do not overcook the rice. Now strain the half-cooked rice and keep aside. Layer the rice over the chicken pieces. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of milk in a bowl. Stir thoroughly and keep aside. Drizzle the turmeric mixture over the rice. In the meantime, heat a few pieces of coal on the direct flame until it is red hot. Shape an aluminium foil like a bowl and place it over the rice. Now take the red hot pieces of coal and place it into the foil. Pour 1 tablespoon of ghee over the coal. Once you see fumes coming, immediately close the cooker tightly. Cook this for 10 minutes or until the cooker releases 1 whistle. Switch off the gas and let the cooker rest. Here's how you make a quick tomato chutney as an accompaniment to the mandi. Coarse grind 1 tomato, 1 small onion, a few green chilies and salt and 1 clove of garlic in a grinder, and that's it. Your tomato chutney is ready. The steaming hot mandi is ready to be served. Now transfer the mandi onto a serving dish, taking care not to stir the rice and the chicken. First transfer the rice onto the dish and place the chicken pieces over the rice. If there is any excess oil in the cooker, discard it. Garnish with fried onions and coriander leaves and enjoy. Do like and subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you more dishes from around the world. The Villa Chefs signing off.